Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Wow, beautiful animals, but all animals are very dirty. Now clean the animals one by one. Come on, let's go. Wow, zebra. Then I think elephant. Now clean the elephant. Then clean the bird. Wow, Pelican. Then again clean the bird. Owl. Then, wow, small dinosaur. Very nice, very beautiful. Then, camel. Now clean the camel. Then I think penguin. Wow, penguin. Then horse. Wow, very beautiful. Then seahorse. Clean the seahorse. Wow, so good. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep support. Please do subscribe, like or share. Thank you all.